rain, and snow. Two things which the city of Rochester knows too well. As the winter months arrive, the city seems to change. The streets are quiet. A stoic mysteriousness lingers in the air. Most choose just to hate it, to loathe the gray-stained skies. They ignore the beauties that are all around them. They run away from the cold and the wet and the noise. It's easy to give in. But we only go around once. You learn to appreciate the little things. It's in those moments that you truly grow. You learn to hope and to wonder. You remember that winter means so much more than snow. It's the season of family, the season of love. Time is the greatest gift you can give. It tends to clear the doubts we always had. Time with your family, with your loved ones. That's what this season is about. And there's nowhere in the world I'd rather be.